Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the resort manager here at Sun Outdoors Bend. Thank you for booking your stay. Let me take you on a quick tour around our property. The resort aims to provide a memorable experience for its guests by providing a strong sense of community and also a sense of connection to nature. Bend is an amazing destination because of all the access to outdoor activities, the beautiful weather and climate, and all there is to do. Some of the key features and amenities are our large, custom pavered RV site, a custom-built hot tub, a 24-hour laundry room, 24-hour comfort stations with steam rooms, a brand new tennis and pickleball court, a brand new pool table, a lounge, and a courtyard for our guests to enjoy. We have a beautiful fenced-in off-leash dog park, which is a great place to let your dog out, stretch its legs, and run around for a little bit after your long trip here. Bend is known for having over 20 local craft breweries. Whenever you find yourself with some free time, come downtown and check some of them out. The atmosphere here in downtown Bend is very laid back, and yet there's still plenty to do. It's a family-friendly atmosphere with multiple restaurants, shops, ice cream stores, Drake Park, which is a beautiful park located right in downtown Bend, which has the Deschutes River flowing directly through it. You can paddleboard, you can kayak, you can float the river. My two favorite trails here in Bend are the Deschutes River Trail and Phil's Trailhead. Our whole team is here to make sure your stay is amazing, like our guest services coordinator, Amanda.
Hi, and if there's anything I can do to make your stay even more amazing, come see me at the Welcome Center.
In case you didn't know, we have a Sun Outdoors app which you can download on the App Store. You can use it to book your next reservation or find out any information for your upcoming stay. We can't wait to see you here at Sun Outdoors Bend so you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.